In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule email in Kit. We'll walk through how to schedule a broadcast email using the current Kit interface, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, without wondering if you did it right. First, from your Kit dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation. There, you'll see an option labeled Send. Go ahead and click on Send, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Broadcasts. Broadcasts are one-time emails you send to your list, like announcements, newsletters, or promotions, as opposed to automated sequences. Once you're on the broadcast page, look for a button that says New Broadcast. Click that to start creating a new email. This opens up the email editor, where you can write your subject line and body content. Take your time here to add your copy, links, and any formatting you need. You can also double-check your from name and email if those options are visible. Make sure everything looks exactly the way you want your subscribers to see it. When you're finished writing and you're happy with your email, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for the Continue button. Click Continue to move on to the next step. This will take you to the Settings area, where you control how and when the email is sent. On this screen, find the section labeled Publish. By default, you'll see an option that says something like Send Immediately. To change that, click the Edit button right next to Send Immediately. This is where you tell Kit you want to schedule the email instead of sending it right away. A panel or pop-up will appear with a calendar and time selector. Here, choose the exact date and time you want your broadcast to go out. Pay attention to the time zone shown on the screen and adjust if needed, so your email reaches your audience at the right time for them. After selecting your date and time, confirm that the details look correct. Once everything is set, look again to the bottom right corner and click the blue button labeled Schedule Broadcast. When you click this, Kit will save your settings and cue your email to be sent automatically at the time you chose. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a broadcast email in Kit, so you can plan ahead and let your email go out on autopilot at exactly the right moment.